On this episode of High Voltage Diesel, tempers will flare, blood will boil, and armchairs will melt down.
Oh, man. Ugh. Woo. Alright, what do we got to do today? Yeah, this customer's really getting on me about this bike. New mail. What do we got here?
You're not a comedian. You're not funny.
Oh man, I can't believe I got haters. Work to get done. What do we got? Today's work.
Bike deadline, 12/16, 4 o'clock p.m. sharp. Oh no. December 16th. I got a half hour to get this bike done? Oh, I wonder if is here yet. It's supposed to be in at 9 o'clock sharp and those parts are still sitting there not done. Unreal. What am I gonna do? These parts ain't done yet. Got a half hour to get the... You know what? Get that camera out of my face. Hey! What? What are you coming in for 5 hours late? Don't you know we got this bike to get done today? Why ain't this bike done? Let's go! Get that frickin' sandpaper out and get to work and get this thing done! Oh, chill. I can get these in a half hour. These bike parts will be painted, done in a half hour. It's totally fine. I woke up late. I was up all night drinking beer and stuff, and I don't want to hear any excuses. You know you're supposed to get in. Get this frickin' bike done. I don't know what it is about building these bikes, but it's always got to be nothing but drama. Get to work and get that thing done. Don't worry about it. I'll be fine. I'll get them done. I'll get right on. I don't want to hear any more excuses. No wonder no one wants to work for that whole prick. How's it coming along? Is it done yet? You ain't sanding fast, Carl. Come on, let's go. Gotta get this done. I don't want to hear any more excuses. Every day you come in 5 hours late and you work a half hour a day and nothing gets done. And today this thing's gotta get done. So either sand or go home. You know what? You know what? I'll just go home then. Screw you. Well, I guess the old boss man better roll up his sleeves and get to work. If you want something done right, just gotta do it yourself. But unfortunately, we gotta go take care of something now because of the weekly incidents. We were so good too. Big old goose egg. Yep. Customers aren't gonna like that. The meltdown resulted in one employee getting terminated, and now High Voltage Diesel CEO has no choice but to move on his own and get the work done.
Okay, so now that we actually can get some work done, got this whole tank sanded with 320 grit. And back fender is all in primer, that's how I got it. Just have to wipe off the inside lip here with some thinner so I can tape or just spray it. Not really sure yet what I want to do. This guy's not super picky on this bike, just wants it painted black. So get to that.
And those damn paint fumes are bad.
Oh, man. Oh, maybe this thing will work. After a hard day's work, High Voltage CEO gets excessively agitated as the air purifier system fails to work. All right. Causing even more stress in the workshop.
Ain't that thing working? Woo! I'm gonna die in here with these fumes.
Well, here it is the next day in the American Motorcycle Shop. American Motorcycle Shop. The High Voltage Motorcycle Shop. It's only a motorcycle shop today because that's what we're working on, is motorcycle parts. And I think after Carl got fired yesterday morning, some work actually got done around here. Man, these parts came out awesome. It's like a semi-gloss finish. That's what the customer wanted. I got the inside painted pretty nice. I don't think they were expecting that, but you always go above and beyond for your customers. You know, for the extra time it takes to go above and beyond, it really isn't that much. I don't even think they really cared about the underneath of these that much. But I got the underneath painted really nice. Taped everything off good. This must have an electric fuel pump in it or something, because it's like a whole sending unit thing and a wire and all that, so maybe not, but whatever. I'm not, by any means, I don't know much about motorcycles at all other than painting them. Well, I wish you guys could see this bike getting put together, but I have nothing to do with the bike itself. I actually don't even know what the bike looks like other than these two parts here that they wanted painted. So this is pretty much going to be it right here. What you're seeing is all she wrote. That's what they wanted, and that's what they're going to get. Oh yeah, black chrome. Just turn that into black chrome. All right, guys, tell me, am I a comedian, or did you just have a complete armchair meltdown watching this episode of High Voltage Diesel, where we were working at our motorcycle shop with a little bit of stupid comedy involved? And we will see you guys in the next video. If you didn't like the video, move on to the next video. But if you did like the video, make sure you subscribe, like, comment. I want to hear from you. With that being said, now you're fired too. Get out of here. Goodbye.